Okay, hello everybody. Hello world. Hello YouTube. Here we are at the gun range, and my daughter is about to shoot. Let's go.
Ready? Button.
Hit the button. Fire when ready.
Stay right here. Watch mommy. Mimi, stop.
Charging handle to the rear.
Huh?
Charging handle to the rear. Charging handle forward. Weapon is clear. Let's check the target.
Come on, Mimi. Let's go. Come on, Mimi. Let's go.
Come on, Mimi.
Taking it off the tripod if you want. There's Emily. Nice day for shooting today. Look at that.
Yeah, it's not even windy or anything.
Not a breath out. Absolutely fabulous. Look at that though. Row after row. Okay, anyway, it's not why I'm here. My daughter and her boyfriend and my granddaughter. Woohoo! I don't
She
know.
got a triple.
Shit, look at that shit. Fuck, I was so close.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, those are both her shots right there.
Right. So she's on. You're pushing.
I'm pushing.
Oh, babe.
Yeah. All right. There's the man that's pushing. Oh, shit. Okay. There you go. Thought I'd share that with you. Live by your wits, not by your words. Bye.
Give me the die. We'll see how I do.